guys, this is a simple C program to just find multiplication of numbers. Here we are starting with the header file that's hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output statement, with, such as the printf and scanf are the standard input output statements. To include the statements, you need to just enter these header file as stdio.h, and then conio.h console input output statements, which just helps to get you, for example, just if I don't include conio.h, I might get error. It's good to just mention hash include conio.h console input output statement, as we are just including clear screen and get ch shortcut, and then we just have a void main, because these just don't return any value, so that we have just took void main, and then we are just declaring a data type of called int, integer data type, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 3 means result, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, this is a type of integer. Here we just taking input from user. We are just asking the user to enter two values, and then we are performing multiplication of two numbers with the help of this program. Then we're just taking clear screen shortcuts as we continue. Uh, Printf statement, we are displaying a message to user that enter the value of number 1. Okay, enter the value of first number uh, of your choice, and then the user is entering the value of number 1, for example 55, and then uh, scanf statement just reads that 55, and then it will store that 55 into number 1 ampersand number 1 address into the memory, right? Into the memory it will store number 1 ampersand number 1, and then we have entered and saved number 155 successfully, and then we have to just also take number 2, right? To perform multiplication, we have to also take number 2 from user. So we are again displaying a message to user that enter the value of number 2, and then user is same entering the value of number 2, for example 5. Then scanf is just reading that statement, just reading that input from the user 5, that is stored in number 2, right? Ampersand number 2, it is storing as a it is storing as number 5, and then we are writing a logic here. You need to concentrate only one thing before writing a C program, that you need to just only concentrate on input, logic, and output. That's it. Result equals to number 1 into number 2. That's as simple as that. Result equals to number 1, number 2. Number 1 percentile d, number 2 percentile d equals to percentile d result. Percentile d into percentile d equals to percentile d. Okay, this is a simple logic. And then number 1, number 2 result, and then let's hit shortcut and curly brace off. That's it. Just call it a success, and then we just came out to here 55 first value, number 5 second number, and then 55 into 5 equals to 275. That's a simple program to just calculate uh, calculate multiplication of two numbers given input, taking input from user. Okay, for more programs, please subscribe to our channel Code Universe, and then even hit bell icon for more updates, for more important C programs for you guys. This is the first video, and please support the army, and we'll just bring out a very good content for you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.